Did you know that bench press injuries are a common occurrence in gyms worldwide? It's a sobering thought, especially considering the immense popularity of this exercise. Many gym goers, particularly those new to weightlifting, are drawn to the bench press. It's seen as the ultimate test of upper body strength, a symbol of power and masculinity. This allure, coupled with the desire for quick results, often leads individuals to bench press every single day. The appeal is understandable. The idea of rapidly building a massive chest and impressive physique is enticing. Social media further fuels this desire, showcasing individuals who seem to achieve incredible results through frequent, intense workouts. However, what these images often fail to reveal is the potential downside of such an approach. While dedication and consistency are admirable, daily bench pressing can be detrimental in the long run. Our bodies are complex machines that require balance and, most importantly, adequate rest to function optimally. Overtraining, particularly when it comes to compound exercises like the bench press, can have serious consequences. Overtraining occurs when the body is subjected to excessive physical stress without sufficient time to recover. This can manifest in a variety of ways, and the symptoms can be both physical and mental. One of the most immediate risks of overtraining, particularly with exercises like the bench press that involve multiple muscle groups and joints, is the increased risk of injury. Muscle strains, tears, and tendinitis are common among those who push their bodies beyond their limits. The shoulder joint, in particular, is highly susceptible to injury from repetitive heavy bench pressing. The rotator cuff, a group of muscles and tendons that stabilize the shoulder, is often overworked and strained, leading to pain, inflammation, and limited range of motion. Beyond the immediate physical repercussions, overtraining can also have long-term consequences. Chronic pain, joint instability, and even muscle imbalances can develop over time, hindering your progress and potentially leading to chronic health issues. It's crucial to recognize that building a strong, healthy physique is a marathon, not a sprint. To understand why daily bench pressing is not conducive to muscle growth, we need to delve into the science behind it. Muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy, occurs when muscle fibers are subjected to stress, causing microscopic tears. During rest, the body repairs these tears, making the muscle fibers larger and stronger. This process, however, requires adequate rest and recovery. When you engage in strenuous exercise, especially compound movements like the bench press, you're not just working the target muscles, chest, shoulders, triceps, but also engaging a host of supporting muscles, tendons, and ligaments. These tissues need time to rebuild and strengthen. Daily bench pressing deprives your body of this crucial recovery period. Without sufficient rest, the muscle fibers don't have the opportunity to repair themselves fully, leading to a catabolic state where muscle breakdown exceeds muscle protein synthesis. This means that instead of building muscle, you're actually hindering the process. Virtually every reputable fitness expert and coach will emphasize the importance of rest and recovery in any workout regimen. The consensus is clear. Daily bench pressing is not a sustainable or effective approach to building a strong and healthy physique. Renowned strength coach Mark Rippetoe, author of Starting Strength, advocates for a balanced approach that allows for ample recovery time between workouts. Similarly, powerlifter and coach Lane Norton, known for his scientific approach to training, emphasizes the importance of listening to your body and incorporating deload weeks into your program to prevent overtraining. the message from the experts is consistent. Prioritize proper form, gradual progression, and adequate rest for optimal results. Ignoring these fundamental principles can lead to setbacks, plateaus, and even injuries, ultimately hindering your long-term fitness goals. Section 5. Striking a balance. Finding your fitness equilibrium. So, if daily bench pressing is off the table, what's the alternative? The key lies in finding a balance between challenging your body and allowing it to recover. Instead of focusing on training frequency, prioritize training intensity and proper form. Aim for 2 to 3 well-structured chest workouts per week, ensuring you allow at least 48 hours of rest between sessions. Focus on progressively overloading your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. Incorporate a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups to ensure balanced development and prevent muscular imbalances. Remember, a well-rounded workout program should include exercises for all major muscle groups, not just your chest. This balanced approach will not only help you avoid overtraining, but also contribute to a more aesthetically pleasing and functional physique. Section 6. Listen to your body. Recognizing the signs of overtraining. Your body has a remarkable way of communicating its needs if you know how to listen. Overtraining manifests in various ways, and recognizing the signs early on can prevent serious consequences. Persistent muscle soreness, fatigue, and decreased performance are often the first indicators that you're pushing too hard. You might notice that your usual weights feel heavier, or you're struggling to complete your usual sets and reps. Joint pain, particularly in the shoulders, elbows, or wrists, is another red flag that should never be ignored. Changes in appetite, sleep disturbances, and increased irritability can also signal that your body is under too much stress. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to take a step back, reassess your training routine, and prioritize rest and recovery. Section 7. The bigger picture. Holistic fitness for long-term success. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Building a strong, healthy body is about more than just lifting weights. It's about nourishing your body with nutritious foods, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and listening to your body's cues. Incorporate other forms of exercise, like cardio and flexibility training, into your routine to improve overall fitness and prevent imbalances. Focus on building healthy habits that you can sustain over time. Remember, consistency and patience are key to achieving your fitness goals. Avoid the temptation to take shortcuts or compare your progress to others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your achievements along the way. By adopting a holistic approach to fitness, you'll not only achieve your physical goals, but also cultivate a positive relationship with your body and a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Section 8. Join the conversation, share your experiences and insights. We've explored the potential pitfalls of daily bench pressing and the importance of a balanced approach to training. Now, it's your turn to share your thoughts and experiences. Have you ever tried daily bench pressing? What were your results? What strategies do you employ to prevent overtraining and promote recovery? Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other and inspire one another on our fitness journeys. Share your insights, ask questions, and let's continue the conversation.